What's the meaning of college? College. College.
College. College. College refers to an educational institution that offers higher education and specialized courses. It is typically a part of a larger university system, and it focuses on undergraduate studies. Colleges offer degree programs in a variety of subjects such as science, arts, engineering, and business. They provide students with academic instruction and training, as well as opportunities for social and personal development. College education also helps individuals develop critical thinking, problem solving, and communication skills that are essential for success in today's world. Overall, college provides a pathway for individuals to pursue their intellectual and career aspirations.